Well, good afternoon. UPS delivered a box, and it's not Christmas, and it's not from Amazon. It's from Rockler. All right, let's open this box up. See what we got here. Getting pretty exciting. Wow. And we don't need that no more. Look here what we got. We got us a Robert Sorby Sovereign Deluxe Turnmaster tool set. And let's see what this set includes. A Turnmaster shank with HSS detail point cutter fitted to head RSTM-ST2. HSS, high-speed steel. Round high-speed steel cutter. General all-purpose. Excellent for rapid removal material. Comes fitted to a spare head. Detail high-speed steel cutter. Excellent for roughing. Squared around when turning centers. Square high-speed steel cutter. French curve high-speed steel cutter. Dovetail or box high-speed steel cutter. Teardrop high-speed steel cutter. Mushroom cutter. Turnmaster head. This set comes with 2 additional patented indexable tool heads, specifically designed to operate in positions for standard scraping and shearing scraping work. The detachable Turnmaster head also offers a quick and simple alternative for changing cutters. Next is a parting tool, Sovereign 12-inch handle, Sovereign 4-inch handle extension, diamond honing plate, 600 grit, 1 inch by 3 inch. Sovereign tang collet. Where's the Sovereign tang collet? Oh yeah, that's this thing right here. That's for 1/2 inch diameter tang tools. And Sovereign threaded coupler. Customized handle lengths quickly and easily with this simple addition. Alright, and there's what the parts all look like. That's the handle, the extension. There's the parting tool. There's the diamond cutter. And that's the main shaft. Here's the extra heads for indexing. There's a little wrench. That's the diamond honing plate. And then here's the additional cutting heads. 16 1/4 inch coupled together. 12-inch handle. That's a 4-inch handle. Warning: dust created can be dangerous to your health. Okay. Product made in Sheffield, England by Robert Sorby. Now, I did not buy this from Amazon. I got it from Rockler. And here's why. Just look at the price difference. Amazon is not always the cheapest, guys. Alright. It comes with a little wooden case. Oh, there's stuff on the back. Let's see. Oh, I guess this would probably be the front. The other was the back. Alright. Okay, it comes with a nice wooden case, as I said. A little leather handle. Box joints. Pretty nice little case. Got little latches there. With compliments. Quality control, signed and dated. Well, I don't know, I can't read it. The 25th day of the, I don't know what month it is, of 21. Alright, here's a little, I guess that's the instructions. Yeah, these are instructions. Well, not really, kind of. Tell you the difference between tungsten carbide, high-speed steel, and titanium nitride. So I guess this is the instructions. It's also looks like tells you what they got, an order type sheet. Maybe this is the instructions. Well, optional additions. Tells you can order more things. Oh man. They got all kinds of cutting heads and gouges and tools and stuff. Alright. Well, there's what it looks like in the case. Nice little stiff foam. Oh, I was going to say, hey man, I'm missing all my things, but here they are. They're just, they don't stay in the hole. Okay. Alright. So there's the handle. It's got kind of a, I don't know, rubbery foam-like thing. There's the extension. I guess that's how you put the two together. There's the collets, parting tool, the shaft. The shaft comes mounted with a, here, let me get the cord out of the way. It comes mounted with a diamond cutter. Yeah, now, one thing about Sorby I noticed, you know, they're round on top, but they're flat on the bottom. So you can always keep the tool flat on the tool rest. And then you index and turn the head to get the angle that you want. And that was one of the selling points for me. There's two additional heads. So it's all there. Well, the next thing to do is to put it together and get a piece of wood and see how well it works. So I'll get a piece of wood on the lathe and we'll get back to you. Well, I've been making a mushroom and I wanted to get up under here a little further and I couldn't do it with conventional tools. So I'm going to try this. See whether I can get under there and see what it'll do. Okay, keep your fingers crossed, hold on to your hat. We gotta get my face shield here first. Okay, face shield on. Well, got a little deeper. I want to kind of thin that out there. be able to index it. I'm not sure how that works, obviously. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got it indexed. I'm going to do a little scraping here. Smooth it out. Let's see how it worked. Oh, worked really nice. Alright. I kind of roughed it up there, so I want to come back in here and do a little scraping there. See if I can smooth that out. Yeah, it kind of worked. My problem is I've had it off the lathe and now it's not exactly like it was, so it's kind of bouncing around. Alright, well that's how they work. Looks like it's going to be real good. Well, if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, you know, all that good stuff. That's all I get out of this, is you appreciating what I'm doing. So hey, thanks for watching. And you know, we're about cameras and four-wheeling and tooling and woodworking and etc. So we got it all. Bye now.